Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can increase text size inside of Figma. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a basic layer, a basic text layer basically, and a simple rectangle pattern. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to select this text layer, and you want to go to your typography section, and here you want to change this number to whatever you like. You know, this is 64. You can change it to less or more. Okay, so let's actually choose, I don't know, 96 for example. Okay, by the way, if you actually follow last tutorial on padding, you can see that the rectangle is automatically gonna change size depending on this. Okay, which is pretty cool. What you can also change is basically the texture of the font. Okay, and you can make it look, you know, regular or thinner, or you can make it look bolder. Okay, as I'm doing here, and this is kind of gonna increase the size a little bit or decrease the size in this case. You can also make it look italic, okay, which I think this actually looks pretty cool. All right, something that you can also do is you can decrease or increase the letter spacing, okay, so you can basically make the letters uh, be more together, okay, as I'm doing here. But I find that usually the default option works just fine. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.